Welcome back, ladies, to Real Women of Philadelphia. Anna Olson here, and can you believe it? It's already week 5, but you know what? You still have an opportunity. We start back at the beginning and we do appetizers again. So you've got another week to submit your favorite appetizer recipes using cream cheese. So to get you inspired, I'm going to share my recipe for baby salmon cakes with creamy dill sauce. All right, starting this appetizer begins with the cream cheese. And this is a brand new product. It's a dill cream cheese. I'm using half a tub in the salmon cake recipe, and I'm saving half for the sauce that I'll make a little later on. I like to start this recipe using softened cream cheese. That way it's easy to stir and add the other ingredients. I'll add 1 egg. That's what's going to hold everything together in the recipe. Of course, where would a salmon cake be without a little bit of lemon? So first, the zest, just about 1.5 teaspoons, and add 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice to the salmon cake mixture. So there's the base, and that's going to hold all the other ingredients together, including a little bit of chopped green onion and flat leaf parsley. There we go. And now I'm ready to add the salmon. I've got 2 cups of cooked salmon. So this could be grilled, oven roasted, or poached, however you like it. And this is where you can get creative. And you know your crowd. You could use crab if you wanted to in place of the salmon, or any other favorite fish. But I love that delicate nature and that beautiful pink color of the salmon. And you can see there's just the right amount of cream cheese to evenly coat every little bit of that salmon. And something I like to add just a little bit of zip, is a couple tablespoons of diced up dill pickle or pickle relish. There, that looks perfect. Now, since I started with softened cream cheese, I want to actually chill the cream cheese to let it set, so that way it's easy to shape these baby salmon cakes. So just pop these in the fridge. The salmon cake batter is set now, so it'll be easier to shape. And what I like to do before I start scooping them, I've got a 1/4 cup of melted butter here, and I'm going to add this to the bread crumbs. Since I'm not sauteing the salmon cakes in a fry pan, I want to coat the breadcrumbs evenly with the butter. So now that these are evenly coated, I'm going to leave this in the bowl and then start spooning my salmon cakes. Remember, I want to keep them baby size. This is an appetizer, and once coated, I like to shape them by hand. Put it on the baking tray, and there we go. I've got all of them on a parchment-lined baking tray. I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and these take about 20 to 22 minutes, and I like to flip them halfway through cooking. That way they're evenly browned on both sides. So while those are cooking, I can prepare the sauce. This is the half a tub of the dill cream cheese I saved from making the salmon cakes, still at room temperature. To make this sauce consistency, add a bit of milk. There we go, that smooths right out. And when you're planning sauces or accents for your appetizer dishes, think of coordinated and complementary flavors. So I used a little lemon zest and juice in the salmon cakes, so it makes sense that I add a little of the same to the sauce. I saved 1.5 teaspoons of that lemon juice from the lemon I juiced earlier, and I'll just take it over here. Part of making appetizers easy is doing as much as you can ahead of time. So just a couple minutes and the salmon cakes will be out of the oven. So you can see how halfway through cooking I flip them so they get that nice even golden brown color on both sides. I love how these have this crispy exterior but then creamy interior. Of course, when you shoot your own appetizer video using cream cheese, you want to show the finished results in all its beauty. And of course, this is the real perk of the job. You get to taste what you make. So now it's time for you to grab the camera, get in the kitchen, show us your favorite appetizer recipes using cream cheese, submit them to realwomenofphiladelphia.ca, and good luck. Oh, that dill really shines through.